Find features that differentiate it from other brands for OBDMONSTER N300 Pro, digital timing light with voltage test and dwell angle, and advance angle and RPM. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. The OBDMONSTER Pro Digital Timing Light N300 features powerful measurement capabilities for voltage/RPM, advance angle, and dwell angle. It is compatible with 12-volt gasoline engines, including 2-stroke and 4-stroke, and is widely used in cars, boats, motorcycles, tractors, and other vehicles. Work with most ignition systems, DIS, conventional, electronic and computer-controlled systems domestic and import. Note, it is not suitable for diesel engines. Experiencing rough idling and hard starting? These symptoms are often indicative of incorrect timing. The advance angle mode allows you to set the timing quickly and accurately. It is more intelligent and labor-saving than conventional timing lights, helping to reduce repair costs and achieve better fuel economy. Additionally, the dual-screen design simultaneously displays the advance angle, 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and RPM, 200 to 9,999, making it easy to use. Experiencing misfires and a weak spark at low RPM? This often indicates an incorrect dwell angle. The dwell angle mode allows you to promptly set the correct angle, 0 degrees to 90 degrees, helping to prevent roadside breakdowns and protect your ignition coils from burning out. Moreover, this mode simultaneously displays cylinder values, and is widely compatible with 2 to 12-cylinder engines. Notably, the RPM reading in voltage/RPM mode helps you identify the recommended engine speed, preparing you for the timing advance test. The upgraded xenon flashlight ensures precise timing even in tight spaces. Its high-intensity flash performance tests indicate a lifespan 10 times longer than industry standards. 9 to 16-volt battery testing verifies sufficient voltage and stable voltage operation, requiring no additional tools, saving costs. What's more, the N300 timing light automotive features a high-quality ABS housing that is impact-resistant and an excellent insulator. With a lightweight design of 1.57 pounds, it reduces fatigue by 80%. The 6-foot cable ensures safe and effortless timing operations for users. The N300 timing light features a water gun-style design, and conforms to an ergonomic comfortable touch, ensuring that single-handed operation can also smoothly complete timing work. Its 2.6-inch LCD high-definition white backlit display shows clear visibility of data whether in daylight or darkness, or during multi-angle timing checks. Additionally, this timing gun has undergone environmental adaptability testing to ensure reliable startup and operation even in hot summer or cold winter conditions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.